Hey everyone, welcome back to CT Academy. Today we're going to talk about the 7 foundational principles of data protection by design under GDPR. These principles are key when building products or services that handle personal data, and they ensure privacy is built into the core of what you do. Let's go through them one by one. First, proactive, not reactive. This principle means that privacy and data protection should be considered before you start a project, not after a problem occurs. For example, when designing a new app, you should think about privacy from the very beginning, like using secure encryption and only collecting necessary data. Next, data protection as the default setting. This means that privacy settings should automatically protect user data without requiring them to change anything. For instance, when a user signs up for a service, it should only collect the minimum amount of data needed. No extra details unless the user chooses to share them. Data protection embedded into design is the third principle. This means privacy isn't an afterthought. It's built directly into how your product works. For example, while designing a website, you should ensure that all data collection is secure and that users can easily manage their privacy settings. Number 4 is full functionality. Data protection shouldn't stop your product from working properly. You can still collect and process data for your services, but it should be done securely. For example, if you're running an online store, you can still process payments while protecting customer information at the same time. The 5th principle is end-to-end security. This means protecting data at every stage, whether it's being stored, transferred, or processed. For example, data should be encrypted when it's stored in your system and when it's being sent over the internet. This ensures that data remains safe throughout the entire process. Number 6 is visibility and transparency. This means being open with users about how their data is being collected and used. For example, you should have a clear privacy policy that explains exactly what data is being collected and how it's used, so users can trust you with their information. Finally, respect for user privacy. This principle emphasizes giving users control over their personal data. For example, you should allow users to easily delete their data or update their privacy settings. Respecting user privacy is not just about security. It's about building trust with your users. So, let's recap. Proactive, not reactive, data protection as the default setting. Data protection embedded into design, full functionality. End-to-end security, visibility, and transparency. Respect for user privacy. Want to learn more? At CT Academy, we help you break down complex GDPR concepts into simple steps.